Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are discussing about English grammar. Whether you are a beginner looking to solidify your foundation or intermediate learner aim to reach an advanced C1 level, this video is for you. We will be cover all grammar concept you need to know to excel in your English language journey. So let's get started. Verb tenses. First and foremost, let's talk about verb tenses. We explore the basic tense like simple present, present continuous and past simple. We will be move on to complex ones such as present perfect or past continuous or past perfect, future forms and conditional. Understanding and using these tenses accurately will allow you to express yourself fluently with precision. Passive voice. Next up, we will talking about passive voice. We will demonstrate its construct and show you when and how to use passive voice sentences and effectively. Being able to switch between active and passive voice will significantly enhance your writing and speaking skills. Reported speech. Reported statement, questions and commands in indirect speech can be tricky. We will provide you with clear guidance on how to transform direct speech into reported speech, ensuring that you convey information correctly and appropriately. Conditional sentence. Conditional sentences are essential for hypothetical situations. We will be explore the different types of conditional, zero, first, second and third, and guide you how to construct and use them correctly. Mastering conditional sentences will make your conversation more engaging and thought-provoking. Relative clauses. Relative clauses allow us to add information to our sentences, or we will explore the role of relative pronouns such as who, whom, that, which, those. By the way, at the end of this session, you will be able to confidently form and use relative clause in both written and spoken English. Now let's talk about adverbial clause. Adverbial clause provide valuable detail about time, place, reason, result and condition. We will introduce two common connectors like when, while, since, because, so and if. The link of these clauses. Understanding adverbial clause will enable you to express complex ideas more effectively. Articles. Articles including a, an, and the can be a source of confusion for many learners. We will clarify these usage rules and discuss when it's appropriate to omit them. By the end of this session, you will have solid gaps of how to use articles accurately in your sentences. Prepositions. Prepositions play a crucial role in expressing relationship between words. We will go over common prepositions and correct usage, various contexts. Understanding prepositions can help you convey your thought precisely and avoid common mistakes. Infinitives. Infinitives are verb form with specific function. We will explore their different usage, how they can change the meaning and usage, how they change the meaning of the sentence, and you will gain the confidence of difference between gerunds and infinitives correctly. Phrasal verb. Phrasal verb are a combination of verb and particles that can have different meanings than their individual parts. We will introduce you the common phrasal verbs and discuss their meaning and usage. Incorporating phrasal verbs in your vocabulary will make you English more idiomatic and natural. Sentence structure. Mastering complex structures including coordinative and subordinative it crucial for expressing advanced ideas. We will be explore how to construct simple sentence and provide examples that illustrate their usage. By understanding sentence structures, you will be able to convey complex thought more effectively. Comparative and superlative forms. Comparative and superlative forms allow make comparison. We will guide you process of forming using comparative and superlative adjective and adverbs. With this knowledge, you will be describe things with precision and sophistication. Word order. Word order is essential for clear, coherent communication. We will discuss standard words of order in English sentences, dive into cases where incursion is necessary. Understanding word order will make your sentence grammatical correct and easier to understand. Agreement. Finally, we will address agreement in English grammar. We will cover subject verb agreement, pronoun antecedent agreement, and noun adjective agreement. By mastering agreement rules, you will be avoid common error and ensure that your sentences are grammatical correct. And there you have it. We will cover all the grammar concept you need to reach an advanced C1 level in English. Remember, practice is key. Make sure to use these grammar structures in your daily conversations and work to enforce your understanding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. How you learn and improve. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy learning.